There was in this town these friends who share happiness. There was in this town the friends who share smiles and cares, until one day in a strange way the love appeared and everybody flew away, and everybody left full in the love. And then again alone in the town I remember there was a time friends who had to share smile and care. They always shows in different ways, and strangely I saw my friends flew away, following their love in different places. Leave me alone to remember the ones in this town. Friends care for a smile, and then there was a time in the town where friends share smiles and cares, and I still here to remember the friends that never came back. There was a times to share in the town a smile and cares, and we'll never forget that I'll stay to see it once a while. They will come back. There was a town and time when friends share smiles and cares, and their love shows in different ways, but this one flew away. There is a time when friends are taken by the love in strange ways to never come back. Bye bye, friends.